Inside our character that you want to add the trail, we add a line 2D and add the script to the line 2D. Then inside the line 2D, we put a maxLen variable, a p for the points array, and inside the process function, we do this as showing on the screen. After that, we go to line 2D, we add the width curve and put this curve. We also go to fill gradient to put a gradient on our trail, and when we test it, you can see that, oh, it's not working. Why it's not working? Let's see. We go to our player, line 2D. Oh yeah, first we need global position equals vector 2, and we need a rotation equals 0, and this might fix it. It's reverted. I need to revert it. So we go again to our player, line 2D, we invert the curve, and if it has it, yeah, it's working. I will put this behind the player, and yeah, it's working. Now I can put this white, put kind of invisible, and as you can see, it's working. Thank you. If you want to see how I made the game in a month, check this video.